guys, my name's Sophie, I'm 16 and this is my first YouTube video. I don't really know why I'm doing this, but I am. I don't really know what to do, so I'll just keep it spontaneous. It'll probably work or not, whichever one. Yeah, basically. I live in England, so for all you Americans, I don't have tea with the Queen. Just like you don't have McDonald's with Obama, I don't have tea with the Queen. Pretty much how it goes. Oh! Sorry, you couldn't see that, could you? Oh my god. Right, anyway. Steve, it's okay. Come here. Right, that was just my cat. I was going to try and get her back out, like, turn the camera around. Can I? Oh, can I? Can you see her? Anyway, if you can. That's my cat Tilly. I don't know if you can. I don't know. Anyway, if you can, that's my cat Tilly. She'll be popping in or out, whatever. So yeah, if anyone wants to make comments about and ask me questions, then that's fine. You can ask me the craziest, randomest questions, and I'll answer them. It could be like from sing your favourite song to eat a Marmite sandwich or something. Well, actually, that'd be weird because I don't think we actually own any Marmite in the house, so it'd have to be another sort of sandwich. That's basically kind of it. Stop watching me. My cat's staring at me like. Yeah, she likes to stare at me. I'm just sort of bored. That's kind of why I'm making this video. So yeah, if you guys want to leave a comment and tell me anything about you, where you're from, if you want like a shout out in the next video. Oh, I felt like I was a YouTuber when I was saying that. My interests, well, I love to act. I would love to be a famous actress. I just love to have that big shot to act, because I think it'd be amazing to just be on TV and stuff. The two stars I'd love to work with are Robert Pattinson and Kristen Stewart. I think they're amazing. I proper love them. I think they're great. Yeah, pretty much. So yeah, that's about it. So this is spontaneous. I don't really know what I'm saying. But what I do know is that I watched a video yesterday about this girl called Sierra Watts, I think, and she was pregnant when she was 15. So this is probably going to turn into one of them reaction videos. But I know she's got a lot of hate for it, and I mean, it's her life. She can do what she wants with it. Like a girl I know, she's got pregnant when she was, I don't know, 17, something like that, and she's kept the baby, and he's gorgeous. He's so cute. And another girl, who I sort of know, she got pregnant when she was 16. And she's got a beautiful baby as well. He's gorgeous. He's lovely. So you can be happy. I mean, it's your life. You can do what you want with it. You know, just don't listen to all them haters because they are not worth your time. They don't know you. Only you know you, and only you know what's best for you. So I would not give a flying monkeys about the haters. I mean, You can do what you want, it's your life. If you want to go out and party every night, go and do that. If you want to study for your levels, go and do that, which I probably need to do. Oops. Yeah. So, basically about it. So if you guys want to leave like a comment saying about your favourite book or eat something or sing a song or whatever, or who your inspirations are and what field you want to go in, then feel free. If you don't and you think I'm a boring old fart, then I'm sorry. I just started to upload this because it's my first one, and yes, I know it is going to be absolute shit. It really is. But, well, thought I might as well. So, bye.